everybody.
Hello. What's up?
As you can see, we're all really excited here because we're doing another video on rhyming.
Yay!
Miss Sam, Officer Patrick, and Fireman Sam love rhyming so much that we had to do one more video this week for you guys.
Can't wait. Nor can I.
So one of the reasons why I love rhyming is because it's super fun. And another reason why I love rhyming is because we're actually practicing our listening skills. In order to rhyme a word, it's really easy. You keep the sound at the end of the word, then you pick any letter and change the beginning of the word. So a perfect example, we're going to use cat. So if you listen carefully, at, the end sounds like an at. So let's get rid of the C, the k sound, and let's change it for a B, at, bat. So cat and bat rhyme.
What about sat?
Sat also rhymes with cat. That.
All right.
Okay, so Miss M has one of her favorite books, and she is going to read it with you today along with Fireman Sam and Officer Patrick.
Yay!
So it's a book by Dr. Seuss, and it's called There's a Wocket in My Pocket.
Love this book. Same.
All right, here we go. There's a Wocket in My Pocket by Dr. Seuss. Did you ever have the feeling there's a wasket in your basket?
Or a neuro in your bureau? Or a was it in your closet? Good one, good one.
Sometimes I feel quite certain there's a jerkin in my curtain.
Sometimes I have the feeling there's a zlock behind the clock. And that Zelf up on the shelf. I've talked to him myself.
That's the kind of house I live in. There's a mink in my sink.
And a zamp in the lamp. And they're rather nice, I think. Good job, Miss M. Yeah. Some of them are very friendly, like that yacht in the pond.
But that yodel in the bottle, some are friendly, some are not.
Makes sense. Yeah. Makes sense. I like the Zabel on the table and the chair under the chair.
But that Bofa on the sofa, well, I wish he wasn't there.
What's a Bofa? Yeah. Okay. All those nutbirds in the cupboards, they're good fun to have about. But that noothbrush on my toothbrush, him I could do without.
And that Quimney up the chimney, I don't like him at all.
And it makes me so nervous when the Zal scoots down the hall. But the Yeps on the steps, they're great fun to have around. And so are many, many other friends that I have found.
Like the Teller and the Neller and the Geller and the Deller and the Beller and the Weller and the Zeller in the cellar.
It's a lot of stuff in the cellar.
Yeah. And the Geeling on the ceiling.
And the Zower in my shower.
And the Zillow on my pillow. I don't care if you believe it. That's the kind of house I live in. And I hope we never leave it.
So boys and girls, this is a silly rhyming book.
Yeah,
but
big time.
That's what I love about rhyming. You
Me
can be
too,
as
yeah.
silly as you want with it.
Yeah.
So I hope when you're at home, you practice your rhyming and you practice with silly rhyming too. There's no wrong rhymes.
No.
Not at all.
So we hope you really liked this book. We hope you guys have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you again next week.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye till next week. See ya.